Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch FE and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the circle with the line inside of it. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see the message Do Not Disturb, and the icon will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. You can also tell by the icon appearing right here below the battery. And if you go back to watch face, the Do Not Disturb mode icon will also be present, which indicates that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel again, tap on the icon. You will see again the message Do Not Disturb. The icon will go back to the gray color. This icon will disappear, and if you go back to watch face, the icon from the watch face will also disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also enable and disable this through the settings. So if you open the settings on your watch, find the option called Notifications and tap on it. Here you can scroll down and you should see the Do Not Disturb. And you can enable the Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on the switch and disable it. And of course, once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.